Good morning. We're here at Blizzard Beach today.
Lovely weather for it.
Lovely weather. Like 26, 27 degrees. Just perfect. Last time you saw us, we was at Ohana. We loved that. It was such a It was such a nice meal. But we're in Blizzard Beach now, and we're gonna have a good day. Going to find our spot in the sun on a sun lounger, and then we'll take a dip in the wave pool. It's currently at the Polar Pub getting us a cocktail. I'm going to have the Banana Cabana, and I'm not sure what Kurt's having, but we'll see what he gets in a minute. So these are the drinks we've got. Kurt's got a beer. What beer is it?
It's a Yingling.
Yingling?
Yeah.
Okay. And he's got 3 refills for the day, and then mine's a Banana Cabana.
Banana Cabana.
Banana Cabana.
Nana.
Nana. Look how pretty it is. So we're just having lunch at Blizzard Beach. What's this place called? Lotta Lodge? Lotta Lodge. We've probably butchered that, but whatever. We've got the cheese flatbread to share and some chips. Kurt's got his refillable beer there. But you had a bit of a mare in the queue, didn't you?
Yeah, the person working behind the tour was getting all the tickets wrong. So it got to the point where she was actually asking, like, what did you order?
Yeah.
Yeah, so my ticket was on someone else's food, vice versa. She was like, what did you order? I'm like, well, this.
Oh god.
You should have said on the ticket though, so I don't get out.
Yeah, and to say your mobile ordered, it took longer than just going to the till, didn't it?
Yeah, in that situation, we might as well just queued up and just ordered the food.
Yeah.
I do expect that to happen everywhere, but I don't know. It just took a lot of time, longer than what it needed to take.
Yeah. All good then. We'll tuck in now.
Got food, that's all that matters.
So that's the place where we've just ate our lunch. And now we're going to put our stuff in the lockers and head on to the lazy river.
Yes. Although the sun's just gone away for a bit.
Yeah, sun's, where is it hiding?
It's hiding.
It's hiding behind a cloud.
Alright, by the time we get there it should come out again.
Yeah, hopefully the sun's back out when we get into the lazy river. So we've just come to, what's this place called?
It's a churros place right next to the Avalanche.
And next to where the ski lifts are. And I've got a banana split churro, but with no strawberries. It meant to have strawberries on as well, but can't see no strawberries. So we've just come back to the room after a good day at Blizzard Beach. And the housekeeping have been, and they've left a Minnie Mouse bow. It is meant to be a Minnie Mouse bow, isn't it? Yeah, how cute. We've not had any. I was hoping with housekeeping that I'd get some kind of, they usually do like an animal with the towels and things, but they haven't done it, and they've done our housekeeping how many times, and I thought, oh, we just might not get one, but we got a Disney bow.
Still waiting for some swans.
Yeah. Or like a, what have I seen in some other vlogs? What animal? Oh, they've done like an elephant in one vlog, but I think they were staying somewhere like a deluxe resort sort of thing. But that's so cute. I love it. So, hello. We are on our way to Disney Springs now. We've come back from Blizzard Beach, showered, changed, all of that lovely stuff, and we had a really good day at Blizzard Beach. I think we've done all the slides now. We did all the red slopes today, didn't we?
Yeah, we did the red slope.
And then
some of the purple slope.
Some of the purple slopes as well.
I think there was there's a green slope as well, isn't there? But
we didn't do that.
I'm not sure if they're they're the more
children's.
Yeah, children's. I think what the other ones could be, you know, the ones that we didn't bother with.
I think we did everything, didn't we?
No, the really steep one.
Oh yeah, we didn't do. Oh yeah, I said we did all the slides, but we didn't, did we?
No.
Because we didn't do the really steep one. Why have I forgot what it's called? I'm trying to think.
I know, we both meshed out.
Can't remember. We were too scared for them.
The two that everybody seems to go for.
I don't think many people actually do them because it is scary. But going to Disney Springs, we're hopefully eating at Chicken Guy. Want to try and go in for a drink at Raglan Road. My memory's shocking tonight.
We're going to Chicken Guy in Disney Springs. And then
we're looking at Disney shop again, hopefully queuing up for Gideon. Why do I keep doing that? I'm meant to be doing that. I did that, was it yesterday?
I don't know, did you?
Yeah. Anyway, hopefully queuing up for Gideon's, depending on the wait, but we really want to try them. Although a couple that we met last night in Ohana, they were lovely, weren't they?
Yeah, they were really nice.
They said that their son tried Gideon's cookies and he said don't bother, just bin them.
Yeah.
And they weren't edible, so I think it's
the crap.
Yeah, and he said they weren't edible. So I think that's because they can be really soft. And that's not to everyone's taste, it depends what type of cookie you like. If you like a hard cookie, or if you like a soft cookie.
Yeah.
But I think they're meant to be warm and fresh when they're served to you, so I reckon they'll be nice.
Yeah, it all depends on how long they've left them before they actually took into them as well, like you say. They could have hardened up, or they could have got a bit softer. I
doubt it. I reckon they're all fresh, and you've seen the wait times for them, so there's not going to be any there that's
well, there's a reason there's a wait time, isn't there?
You know what I mean? So anyway, we'll see if we try them tonight. If we can, then we'll show it in the vlog, obviously.
Yeah, like I say, we're going back to, we're not even recorded anything today really. Ever since breakfast we've not really had a chance to.
I recorded lunch and my churros.
Oh, did you record the lunch?
Yeah, we didn't record any slides or anything today.
We're going to get the bus to Disney Springs and then...
Sound happy about it?
Just got to the lobby on our way to Disney Springs via bus.
For the last time.
Oh yeah, it's the last time. Will it be last time?
Second and last time. We've not really been to Disney Springs much, have
we? We went on the first day. As soon as we got here, went for that Blaze Pizza, which was really nice. So yeah, this will probably be the last time that we'll come in this trip. Sadly. But tomorrow it's our last full day.
That was how we said this trip. Does that mean there'll be another one?
Yeah, we'll see. So tomorrow's our last full day. We have every intention to...
So there's some loud noise, so we're going to turn the camera off now.
Bye.
We're at Disney Springs now, just waiting in the line to get into Chicken Guy. Very excited to try it. They've got like a billion different sauces to choose from, so we'll definitely be trying some different sauces. Do you know what sauce you want to try? Oh my god, you're so zoomed in. I think they've got like some kind of special sauce.
I've got a donkey sauce.
Oh.
Yeah, I got part of it.
So we've got our chicken guy. You happy? Yeah?
I'm hungry.
So we've got 5 sauces. What sauces we got? So we've got brown sugar barbecue. This table's a bit lovely though. We've got brown sugar barbecue. We've got garlic parmesan or parmesan, buttermilk ranch, special sauce. We've got 2 garlic parmesans. What was the other one you was meant to have?
I wanted 2 each. So they give us 1 extra.
Oh, did they? So we've got the chips, which look really nice and seasoned. It's got a Korean barbecue burger, is it?
It was a
brown sugar barbecue.
barbecue burger.
And then my tenders over there. And then we've got 2 fountain drinks as well. Shall we tuck in? Yeah. That we ordered a mac and cheese as well. How nice does that look? So we've just had our meal at Chicken Guy and now we're just going into some different shops. So let's go into this one, Star Wars Galactic Outpost. We weren't keen on our meal from Chicken Guy. It was okay, bit salty, wasn't it?
Salty, yeah. Probably the only off-putting thing about it, but
yeah,
it was still nice. It was tasteful.
The sauces were really good. So yeah, the sauces were the best thing about it. But other than that, the chicken and the fries were so salty. It was unreal. I'm gonna get this caramel butterbar.
With this caramel butter bar, please.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the holiday marshmallows. They're so
Is that gonna wait for you?
Yes, sir.
My friend is gonna wait.
Thank you.
Look at the make the Santa crispy bar.
Oh, it's nice. That even that cookie.
That cookie looks nice. So many cool things. Kurt. Chocolate peanut butter cookie. So we've just been in the candy cauldron and got a caramel butter bar, which we're going to have later once we get back to the room. And now we're just coming some kind of like football shop. What was it called? Pele something?
Soccer.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Pele Soccer.
Pele Soccer. Have you heard of this shop before? Or?
Yeah, it's all the new kits.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
oh, okay, cool. You don't want them ones? Okay, you can't do that on the vlog. Luckily we didn't get the expression you made.
Guess how much it costs?
$80 at more.
And rest.
Alright, 180.
Ooh, lower.
100. 140. What did you expect it to be?
Because you're paying for that.
Yeah. Well, what did you expect the price to be?
Probably about, well, in England you'd be spending about probably £80 a top. So it'd probably be about $90, I'd say. Not 140.
Okay, put it back then. Oh, that smells lovely. We're just in, is it Bowes? Not sure how to pronounce it. Anyway, we're just smelling some of the scents. I'm guessing, and I think I've seen on other vlogs, that some of these scents are meant to smell like the rice. We've got Pirates Water here, which I'm assuming is meant to be Pirates of the Caribbean. We've got Hornets down there, which I'm assuming is Haunted Mansion. That Clover World is meant to be really nice, although the lodge guys say it doesn't have a good smell when you actually put it on. What's that one? Not good.
Smells what it says.
Oh, it's horrible. I don't like that one. So we've made some purchases in the Bose store. We got Clover World, which is meant to smell like the Avatar Land Pandora, and then we got Resort Signature, which apparently smells like the Riviera Resort, but we didn't know that before we purchased it. It just smelled that nice that we got it.
Nice.
Anyway, we're not forced to be having one of these. We just wanted to look at the crazy flavours outside, inside Salt and Straw.
Nice.
Cinnamon Snickerdoodle, that does sound nice.
Only because we tried a Snickerdoodle Lindell chocolate, didn't we?
And it was so nice, wasn't it? Should we try it?
I'm still full from tea.
Are you still full?
Yeah.
We might come back later then, but usually they have some random flavours. Look, cheesy potato casserole.
Turkey stuffing cranberry sauce.
Oh my god, so brioche bread pudding, turkey sausage, spices, cranberry sauce. So that's in ice cream form. That's crazy. Cheesy potato casserole in... Oh, that doesn't actually seem as bad as it sounds. So that's ice cream, potato cheesecake though, that's a bit weird. Cornflake crumble. Oh my god. Some of these. The salty donut, guava and cheese. Where is it on here? There. There's some randoms. These aren't even that bad. I'm sure these have been worse flavours.
Yeah, they're classics, aren't they?
Yeah. There is some weirder flavours. I don't know if we can see any more in here. Oh no. Last Chance Scoots, matcha with chocolate covered crickets. Oh, chocolate covered crickets. That's not too bad. But yeah, they're known to do very weird flavours. Look where we are now. Kirk's dad's favourite chocolate ever, the M&M. So we're definitely having a look in here to see what we can get. It's a massive shop. There's literally an M&M cushion. If we could get that back home, we would give it to your dad, wouldn't we? Don't know if he'd appreciate the Mickey ears on it though.
We'll not see that, won't you?
There is just everything you can think of. Look at that celebration bottle and that variety wheel. Oh my god, that's heavy. That is heavy. Very heavy. We found two more flavours that we've never tried. So we've got toasted vanilla and mint. Okay, so we've got M&M brownies as well. We've got to get there. We've got to. What are we getting? The thin like crispy, or do you want... Oh, are they the same? What's the difference? Oh, they're blondies, they're brownies.
Yeah.
Which one would we prefer?
Well, these are 10 calories more than that.
Oh.
Like it matters.
Yeah, 10 calories difference.
What do you want? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Put the baby on the toe. When it's done, rabbit's one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
And then we've even got shot glasses as well. It's crazy out here. Look at all the mugs. I think that's the mug I got you, Dad. I think he's got that one. Yeah. I think I got your dad that one.
Oh, yeah, I've only seen that actually.
Yeah. Look at the amount of M&M flavours and colours. That's just crazy. So we've got Colour Blast mix, Character mix, Rainbow mix. What's the there's no difference in them, is there?
Might be on the inside.
Oh, maybe. Mickey mix, Mini mix, Mystical mix, Ocean mix, Mermaid mix, Winter mix. Winter mix, Peanut butter, Santa mix, Reindeer mix. So it's more just the colours, if anything. Oh, they've got toasted vanilla there, mint. We've got Skittles, dark chocolate. Is that a new one? I've never seen dark chocolate, have you?
No.
We've got the minis, the pretzel ones, which we've bought them, haven't we? Caramel cold brew. Kurt. I don't know. Caramel cold brew flavour. I've not seen that flavour, have you?
No.
Caramel cold brew. We've got caramel fudge brownie, crunchy cookie. What else have we got? M&M classic mix. Oh, so there is peanut butter and peanut in the classic mix, and we've got in one of them already, haven't we? Almond, which we've also bought. Love mix, dark chocolate, peanut, black. What's in that? Just black one. Oh, are these just colours now?
Yeah.
Dark blue? I've never seen
You mean
some of
those
these
milk chocolate?
colours. Yeah, oh no, some of them are peanut. Oh, they're all different. Look how many different colours there is. It's crazy. You can get a different colour in like every flavour M&M. It's crazy. So we found the caramel cold brew flavour. So getting one of them as well. We've even got M&M baseballs here. They've even got M&M popcorn. But we're already about to buy too much, so we cannot get anything else. So there's the Cirque du Soleil theatre there. And then we've got House of Blues over there. And then City Works. We want to eat and drink at all of these places, we just do not have the time. That's where we went to get our butty bar. Butty bar?
Going for a butty?
Oh right, where there's butter bar, the candy cauldron.
Where there's butty bar?
Butty bar.